We are at Siargao, and this place called the Katangnan Kabituunan Bridge is a top spot for watching the sunset in Siargao, Philippines. The bridge is located on the island's eastern side and offers views of the horizon. It's beautiful. The Katangnan Kabituunan Bridge is the longest bridge in Siargao at 349 meters. It connects the villages of Barangay Katangnan and Kabituunan. The bridge's length provides unobstructed views of the sky as the sun sets. Saan tayo dun? So pretty, guys. Manood sana kami ng sunset. Wala na. Diyan si Sis Joy. Libo kaya mga bata, oh. Enjoy kayo sila. Kabaw nila. Ito, oo, may mga ano sila. Food, street food. Street food.
Coffee, ma'am. Brown soda. Lang lang. Cancel nila. Basta eh. Dalawi? Ate, kunin ko yung ano bukas. Yung mga daily na
Corn. Thanks for your time, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you to my next video. See you next time.